Beautiful people, how are you doing today? So in this video today we'll be talking about how you can make money by training AI robots. So what I mean by training AI robots is by analyzing some things online. They have a platform where, let's say for instance, you're playing a video game. It involves you to drive a car and you having passengers as well. So it is you that will train the artificial robot or the artificial intelligence that if you see someone that wants to cross, you have to do what? You have to stop. Or if you see a post or a signboard somewhere, you have to indicate stop. In a place you have to indicate caution depending on maybe the signs, and you have people, you have an image of people walking. You will train those robots online to indicate stop. You understand? So that is why I'm using a video game. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Kemi and you're welcome to Self Hustle. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. And if you like things like this on how you can make money on website that I can actually pay you to work online, you can please subscribe to our channel, like this video and give us a thumb up. This particular website that actually says that they will actually pay people to train their robots. You understand? Artificial intelligence, yes, we know they are artificial intelligence. They need human intelligence to input more knowledge on the artificial intelligence. You understand? Like for instance, if I have these glasses now, you understand? The artificial intelligence cannot really dictate what these glasses can be used for unless I tell it that these glasses is used to see, that you can use it and put it on your face and use it to see. So basically what you be doing on this website is actually you be labeling roads, labeling images, putting signboard in some road, putting a full stop where there is supposed to be full stop, putting a roadblock where there is supposed to be a roadblock, and merging images together with words or alphabets. You understand? That is what you'll be doing on this website. And this website is located in over 90 countries. So it's basically in almost all the countries in the world, which involves Nigeria, Togo, China, Cotonou, US, UK, Australia, Spain. Whichever country you are in the world, you can sign up on this website. And so far so good. They paid over 150 million to their workers. Now you'll be working on this website as a taxer, like as someone who does tax. And the beautiful thing about this website is you can fix your own schedule and you can fix your own timing yourself. You understand? They do not impose a particular work frame on you. They do not impose a particular time frame on you. You be the one to fix your particular hours of working. Now please note that while you're signing up on this particular website, you need to take their test. Before you tell me that, oh Kemi, you didn't mention, oh, self hustler. As a self hustler, there are some things that you need to expect from websites, especially legit websites, if you want to know how to make money online. You understand? Nobody will just dash you money like that without testing your IQ, testing something. Let me just give you an example of what the text might look like. You understand? They might have objects like, okay, they will have apple, they will have ball, they will have a cat, and they will have a dog. You understand? And on the other hand, they will have something like B, C, D, A. So they might ask you to match the alphabet with the images. That is what they might ask you to do. So you definitely know that the apple goes down to A. You know that the bat or bar goes down to B, and you know that the D for dog goes to D. You understand? So this is basically what they will ask you to do, to label alphabets, label some images. You understand? If they bring you an image of someone that is moving or going about, they'll ask you to choose an option that best describe what is happening there. They might have sleeping, they will have walking, they will have dancing, they will have a lot of options, but you cannot, they will ask you to choose the best option that describes what that person is doing, which is walking. You understand? They might have some kids standing by the roadside, and they will ask you that what is expected of you if you are driving by and you see kids walking or about to cross. What is expected of you if you are driving? Now, on a normal, like the normal human being thinking, if you are driving and you see kids are trying to pass, what is expected of you is to what? Is to park or pause. You understand? What is expected of you is to hold your brake or park for them to pass. You don't just pass and burst into this thing. You understand? Those are the type of tests they will ask you to do. They might bring a sign for you now, maybe a caution sign. Yes, they might bring a caution sign and ask you that if you see this particular sign, what should you do? You understand? You know, you see signs on the road like stop, you sign on the road like cross, you sign on the road like drive slowly, pedestrians are crossing. You understand? They might bring images for you and ask you that what is expected of you to do if you see signs like that. The name of the website is called Remotetasks. Remotetasks. It says join a global community, meet entrepreneur taxers like you. And so far so good. They have over 240,000 total taxes and they are available in over 90 countries. It says do tax, get paid. It is that simple. So it is simple. You just have to do the tax, get paid. Now please be careful. You need to learn how to do the tax the right way, and that is why they have their tests to guide you and put you through on how you can do the tax the right way. You understand? They said the taxes include from labeling images to transcribing audio. I have a video on how you can make money by typing. That video tells you more about transcription. You understand? From labeling images to transcribing audios, earn money completing simple tasks. These are simple tasks. You can learn easily because they will first train you or teach you on how you can navigate their website or how you can earn money with their website. So you need to learn it. It is easy for you to learn because here it says learn how to do tax with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. So while learning it, you have some courses that they will show you or some courses that they will give you for you to learn how to use this particular website. It says complete tax. It says work on tax from projects you have unlocked. Now for every phase, you understand, for every phase you get paid like maybe from 0.60 cents to $5 per tax. So if you have like 3 tax in a phase, maybe like okay $5 each for 3 tax in a phase, you are making about $15. You understand? So if you calculate it, $15 in less than 15 minutes, if you multiply it by the amount of hours that you can offer, maybe like 5 hours, you know that yes, you'll be making more than $100 or almost $1,000 by the end of a month. And their means of payment are actually flexible. Their means of payment are very flexible. Like you do not need to go out of your way to get paid. If you watch my video on how you can make money by typing, you realize that I said some websites will type for them. So this website will pay you weekly into the recommended payment method. If you are earning about $200 online in this website, by the end of the month you'll be making about $800 or more by the end of a month. You understand? All you need to do is to do the tax, go from one phase to another, and then you can unlock all the other tasks for you to do. And believe you me, I did my research for me to realize that there is always tax for you to do on this website. Like you cannot come on this website and say that there is no tax. The name of this website is called Remotetasks, remotetasks.com. Remotetasks.com. You cannot come on this website and say there is no job or you are not doing anything. There's always job, because there's always job according to the phase that you are, or according to your stage on this particular website. So if you are not subscribed to our channel and you like content like this, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.